come here and give me a big hug?
Hi, Grandma. I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too, my dear. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
You've grown so tall.
Yeah, I'm growing fast. Mom says so too.
That's because you're eating well and studying hard. So tell me, how's school these days?
School is good. I'm learning English and math.
That's wonderful. Math is very important. Can you count for me?
Yes, I can count all the way to 100.
Wow, you're so smart.
Thanks, Grandma. Can you tell me a story?
Of course. Which story do you want to hear today?
The story about the little bear, please.
Gladly. Once upon a time, there was a little bear.
I love this story so much.
And I love telling it to you.
You're the best grandma in the whole world.
And you're the sweetest grandson ever.
Grandma, are you baking cookies today?
Yes. Would you like to help me?
Yes, please. I love helping.
Then let's go to the kitchen together.
What kind of cookies are we making?
Your favorite cookies with chocolate chips?
Hooray! That'll be delicious.
Let's wash our hands first.
Okay, I'm ready to bake.
We'll start by mixing the butter and sugar. Don't forget to add the chocolate chips.
I'll get the chocolate chips. This is fun. Can I stir the bowl now?
You're doing a great job.
It smells so good already. You're the best baker ever. I want to do this every weekend. Do we get to taste it soon? Let's make extra for Grandpa, too.
This will be our secret recipe.
I love baking with you, Grandma.
Hello, my little princess.
Hi, Grandpa. I'm really happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you. How was your day today?
I had a fun day today.
Did you play outside?
Yes, I played outside for a long time.
Who did you play with?
I played with Emma. She's my best friend. She's always kind and fun. I think friends are really special.
Sounds lovely. Friends are very important, you know. Your daddy says that too, doesn't he?
Daddy tells me that all the time.
He's a wise man.
Can I have something to drink, Grandpa?
Would you like something to drink?
I'd love some milk, please.
How about a glass of milk? Here you go. Fresh and cold.
This milk is the best. It tastes sweet. What's in it?
You know what makes it special? I add just a little honey.
Honey, that's why I love it.
Yes, that's our secret ingredient. But don't tell anyone, okay?
Don't worry. I won't tell anyone. It's our little secret.
That's our little secret. You're such a sweet and smart girl. I love spending time with you.
I'm really glad we get to talk like this. You're the best grandpa in the world. I love you so much.
I love you very much.
Grandpa, will you tell me about your childhood?
What would you like to know about? My childhood, it was simple but beautiful.
What games did you play back then? Did you have any toys?
Yes, we had toys too. Just fewer than kids today.
What was your favorite toy?
My favorite was a wooden car my father made.
Was life different when you were a kid? Did you go to school every day? Did you like reading stories too? I want to hear more next.
Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Yeah, I slept great.
I'm glad to hear that. What would you like for breakfast today?
Can I have some cereal and toast?
Cereal and toast? That sounds perfect. Would you like some orange juice with that?
Yes, please. I love orange juice.
Here's your breakfast.
Thanks, Mom. This looks delicious.
Eat slowly and enjoy it. Don't forget your lunch money.
Don't worry, I won't forget my lunch money.
Do you have all your school books packed?
Yep, everything's in my backpack.
Great. You're always so organized. What time will you be home today?
I'll be home around 3:30.
Okay, I'll expect you around 3:30. I'm making your favorite dinner tonight. Can you guess what it is?
Really? You're making spaghetti?
Yes, spaghetti with lots of cheese.
With extra cheese. That's the best.
I know how much you love it.
You're the best mom in the world. See you later, Mom.
Have a wonderful day at school. Don't forget to brush your teeth.
I always brush my teeth. Promise?
I know you always do. You're such a good boy. I love you, sweetie.
I love you too, Mom.
How was school today?
School was good today.
What did you learn in class?
We learned about animals.
Wow, animals. That sounds interesting.
We studied elephants and lions. Elephants are huge and lions are super strong.
I'm so proud of how much you're learning.
Hey, buddy, how was school today?
Hi, Dad. School was really fun today.
Really? What did you learn?
We learned about animals. Yeah, especially elephants and lions.
Elephants and lions? That sounds exciting. Elephants are such massive animals, aren't they? And lions, they're strong and powerful.
Elephants are huge. And lions, they're like kings. I paid attention the whole time.
That's great. I'm glad you're paying attention in class. Do you have any homework today?
Yes, I do have homework, but it's not too hard today.
Easy homework? That's good to hear. Would you like some help with it?
I think I can do most of it myself. Okay, maybe I'll ask for help if I need it.
Sure, I can take a look. Show me the math problem you're stuck on.
Here's the math question I didn't get. It's about big numbers.
Addition? Okay, let's work through it together. See? First add the ones, then the tens.
Oh, now I get it. Add ones first, then 10.
You're getting it. Great job. You really enjoy learning, don't you?
Thanks, Dad. You explain it so well. I like learning when it's fun like this.
I'm proud of how hard you work.
I want to get better every day.
Want to show me your class notes later?
Sure, I'll show you my notes after dinner.